What's going on, guys? Check out what we got. We got another auto carrier. Right, Daniel?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now this will be our second one. You're trying to get a locomotive, but good luck with that. So I'll have my son open it. Go ahead, Daddy, open it.
Where?
Here. You open it from down here, look. So I guess you open these from the bottom. Let's see. Oh. Let's see. There you go. Okay. Let's see if I remember how to open this. Let's see. Oh, open. Oh. The box is falling apart. We got pieces over there that came off too. So all right, Daddy. You ready?
Yeah.
I think
We need to build it.
lift it up. Lift the two styrofoams up. Be careful though, really gently. Can you do it or you need help? There you go. Check this out. We got an SP this time. What do you think, Dad? You like this one? Is that one the nice one or you like the Union Pacific more?
Both.
You like them both? So we put another one at the dinner table. So let's see. You want to hold the phone, dude? Just hold, don't push anything, okay? Let's see. Very delicate. There you go. Whoa. Pick that up. Get the SP. Let's see. Let me see. So now we got two. So next time we'll see you guys in the rail. See you later. Take care.